How to close Google Forms responses. In order to close the Google Forms responses, first of all, you must open the Google Form. For that, you can easily sign into your account on Google Form, whether it's on your PC or mobile device. Currently, on the PC, you can easily open any browser of your choice, and on the web address bar, search for Google Form. Then press enter on the keyboard. On this result page, you need to click on the first link that says Google Forms, and then the official interface of Google Forms opens, where you have to click on Go to Forms. Make sure to sign in on your Google Form account, where you can easily choose any Google Form that you wish to. And then once you make any Google form, next to questions you will find responses option. Let's click on it, and in order to close the Google form responses, simply toggle off the button that says accepting responses, and it will turn to not accepting responses. So this form is no longer accepting responses. This is how we can easily close the Google form responses. After you make the Google form, you can simply click on the send button and send via email, or you can also send the link, and here are the embedded HTML as well. So let's copy the link, and you can easily share this link to anyone on the Facebook or Twitter as well. So that's how we close the Google Form responses. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the notification bell for more updates.